I started. Bill Compton, cold-hearted, raised up with no father. Dropped out of college, can a nigga still have some hope? Batman was my role model, no wonder why I didn't crack jokes. Relationships never work for me, quit trying to be Hercules. Can't save what can't be saved, some love never fades. If it did, it wasn't love, that's why I'm tatted, you see the blood. Fighting all these demons got me stressed, nigga need rest. Gotta wake up like the first of the month. But it's the 18th and my bills due, and I got to the end of the month. Rapping fun, but I need funds. Where's Trinity? If I'm the one, take the blue pill, my life's done. Take the red one and I open up. Can I get my memories back? When it's just me and my dad, when it's just me and my ex, before everything went bad. Wish I could pause, but time waits for no man. Wish I could get it back. Until then I relapse. Tryna find my way home. Think I'm in another zone. Tryna find my way home. Tryna find my way home. I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. I don't know. Since our heartbreaking our drama, always keeping my guard up. Gara, Chicago, been a while since I talked to. No tears, only blood, like vampires. True blood, you sucky, and I'm Eric, and I'm fighting all these demons, trying to get my innocence back. Probably have to relapse, travel back like Marty. Before I made Bacardi, before I turned into Hoyt, drinking, smoking these joints. Thought my life was over, had to clean up and get sober. Had to let go of Ramona, couldn't fight all your exes. Was holding on so desperate, like history, we relics. One day they might